Hello, my name is Catherine Faith T. Louis Straw. Today, we will be talking about the importance of zoos and national parks. First, we will talk about definitions and importance of zoos and national parks. Then, we will see what are the similarities and differences of them. Then, we will look at zoos in the Philippines and national parks in the Philippines. Here are the definitions. A zoo is a place where animals are kept in cages so we can learn more about them, to see their behavior, how they eat, or how they sleep. National parks is a part of nature, such as a forest, where wildlife animals are protected by guards to keep them safe from hunters or poachers. What is the importance of them? Zoos are important because they make national and international breeding centers, so animals will breed to produce more of their kind to stop their extinction. National parks are important so all animals inside it are protected so they won't get hurt by hunters and poachers, so they won't get extinct. But what is poaching? Poaching is called illegal hunting. Some hunt for trophies, carpets, or other decorations. But the problem is, poaching can lead to extinction of animals. Here are some pictures and examples of poaching. On the upper left, the tiger skin is used for carpets. On the right side, you can see that other animals are used as trophies from cutting off their heads. Here, the rhino is killed by cutting off the horns. Here is how the zoos and national parks protect animals. Zoos and national parks offer shelter, breeding, and nutrition. Here are some examples. For example, this panda on the upper left. These are breeding centers. For example, this one also on the upper right are apes. And what are the similarities and differences of them? The similarity is they have the same goal. Both try to protect animals and stop them from getting extinct. At the same time, they allow people to see what animals actually look like to study more about them. But the difference is, national parks keep animals in their natural environment, but just are protected by guards. So the difference is the animals are still in their natural habitat or home. In zoos, the animals are put in cages, so they can't escape or hurt you. But you can't hurt them either. Here are some examples of national parks. Look, here a giraffe is in a national park. Here you can see that animals are in breeding centers to produce more of their kind. Here's an example of a zoo. See, giraffes are put in cages, but also like other animals, they are put in cages so they can't hurt you. As you can see here, the child is feeding the giraffe. Now let's talk about the zoos in the Philippines and national parks in the Philippines. First are zoos. Some are in Metro Manila or NCR, National Capital Region. You don't have to travel far. Because some zoos are near us. For example, in Manila Zoo. It is in the western part of NCR or Metro Manila. And here are some examples of animals that are inside. For example, the Asian elephant and the African lion. Next is the Malabon Zoo. It is in the northwestern part of NCR or Metro Manila. And here are examples of animals that are inside it. For example, lions or peacocks. There can also be turtles, tigers, gorillas, and snakes. Next, this zoo is in the Quezon City part of NCR. It is called Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center. This is the nearest zoo in Project 6. Here are examples of animals in it. For example, snakes, or eagles and birds, and other types of birds. Next, we will talk about the national parks in the Philippines. Some of these examples are in Luzon. Since it is in Luzon, you can also go there because it is in the Philippines. So maybe you can have an excursion there someday. This is Fuyot Springs National Park. It is located in Ilagan, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Region 2. Here are examples of things that you will see there. Examples of animals and other places, just like caves and falls. This is Mount Iglit Baco. It is also a national park. It is in Occidental Mindoro. You can see in the pictures are views and sites taken here. These are some things that happen in it. As you can see, it is well protected and there are no hunters or poachers, which means it is protected properly. Next is the Aurora Memorial National Park. It is within the Sierra Madre mountain range. It is also in Central Luzon, Region 3. Here are the examples of things that you will see in here. That's all for today. See you next time, guys. Bye!